Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Forum. We are in a playlist named Dr. Fixit Waterproofing Products. And today we are going to talk about the product named Dr. Fixit Newcoat. That is a heavy duty reinforced acrylic waterproofing coating for terrace. So we are going to see numerous details like we saw for the product Dr. Fixit PD Proof LW Plus in this playlist, such as its use, where and how can it be applied, its advantages, safety, precautions, how to store it, etc. Let's start with the description of Dr. Fixit Newcoat. Dr. Fixit Newcoat is a heavy-duty terrace waterproofing coating system composed of specially developed highly elastic and resilient acrylic polymers properly selected and graded fillers, light fast and weather durable pigments, microfibers, additives and best quality fungicidal in water medium, which means this is made up of an elastic, flexible, tough and transparent material. Along with this, it resists weather conditions and does not allow ultraviolet radiations to pass through it. It is used as a liquid applied waterproofing membrane for all types of building terraces. It is a 3-layer system with coats in different colors ensuring proper build-up of the thickness, making it a reliable waterproofing system. That is the Dr. Fixit Newcoat is applied in 3 layers, and that is the reason it is a reliable product. The coating performance can be enhanced for large roofs by providing fiber mesh that is embedded or sandwiched between the coats. So to increase the coating efficiency, we can apply a fiber mesh that is available in the market and sandwich it between the coats. Now we will talk about its areas of application. That is, where can we apply this? We can apply this on a building roofs, terrace, which may be flat or sloping, over existing cementitious waterproofing treatments like brickbed coba, concrete screeds, acrylic coating, etc. So before applying this product, if you tried any other waterproofing method, then you can apply Dr. Fixit Newcoat over it very easily. Now we will talk about its features and benefits. First is film thickness. Provides higher dry film thickness of 1 to 1.25 mm in 3-coat application. And here we are talking about the total thickness which sums up all the 3 layers. Then, crack bridging. Bridges crack up to 2 mm width. That is, it can seal cracks which are up to 2 mm wide. Then, application advantage. No need to remove existing sound brickbed coba, plaster, concrete surface. As we saw that if you have initially used any other waterproofing method, then there is no need to remove it. We can apply our product over it. Then, suitability. Can be used for flat as well as sloping roofs. Strength. Higher tensile strength, tear resistance and bond strength with cementitious substrates. Mixing Dr. Fixit Newcoat with cement would enhance these strengths. Then we have resilience. Forms highly elastic and resilient coating, so helps to withstand the structural moments. That is, due to the material elasticity and resilience, it is useful in structural members moments during earthquake. Durability. It is resistant to UV and weather conditions, and hence the life of our structure increases. Abrasion resistant. No additional protective coating is required for roofs subjected to foot traffic. Ease of application. Can be applied by brush and roller easily. Weight addition. Light in weight does not add extra weight over the roofs. There will be no effect of the chemical on the self-weight of our structure. Toxicity. It is non-toxic in nature. And breathability. It is breathable. It is easy to recoat existing surface coated earlier with Dr. Fixit Newcoat. Then we'll talk about its method of application. There are basically 4 different steps: surface preparation, application, maintenance and recoating of Dr. Fixit Newcoat, and 4th is post-application checklist. So let us start with the first step, surface preparation. Prepare the surface thoroughly by cleaning, washing and removing dust, dirt, oil, grease and loose particles where we need to apply waterproofing. In existing all terraces with brickbed coba or screeds, the substrate must be checked for its soundness. This means we need to check the efficiency of the existing waterproofing treatment, if any. Damaged or hollow portions, sharp edges, etc. must be cut and removed till the mother slab, that is, till the RCC slab is seen. The slab should be recoated with slurry of Dr. Fixit pedigree URP and cement in 1:1 proportion. That is, we need to prepare slurry of Dr. Fixit pedigree URP and cement in equal proportion and apply on the seen RCC slab. After drying, the brickbed coba in that portion should be reinstated by mixing Dr. Fixit pedigree URP in the base slurry as well as while doing the top coba. So here we will first of all let the pedigree URP and cement slurry get dry and then again reinstall the damaged waterproofing in that particular portion. But before installing this again, we need to apply the slurry. In other areas where the coba is sound, the surface cracks must be filled with Dr. Fixit Crack X or polymer modified mortar in case cracks are wider than 5 mm. So on the entire area where the cracks are wider than 5 mm, we need to apply the solution meant only to seal crack, that is Dr. Fixit Crack X or polymer modified mortar. Cracks less than 2 mm should be cleaned free of dust with a vacuum cleaner. Apply Dr. Fixit Prime Seal in the cracks and let it dry. Then pour Dr. Fixit Newcoat into these cracks and wait for it to dry. Ensure that the roof slope of a minimum 1 in 100 is already provided. This is basically for water outlet. Bitumen-based waterproofing treatment, if existing, must be completely removed by mechanical scarification or by any other effective mechanical means. And now our surface is ready for the waterproofing treatment. Now we'll see actually on construction site how can we apply this. Dilute 1 liter of Dr. Fixit Prime Seal with a half liter of water. This dilution will cover 7 to 8 square meter. Allow it to dry for 6 to 8 hours. Apply the first coat of Dr. Fixit Newcoat without any dilution at the rate of 2 meters square per liter and allow it to dry before taking up the second and third coats, the rate of application being the same. In larger roofs, a 2.5 mm cross 2.5 mm open woven glass fiber mesh must be sandwiched between the first and second coat. While the first coat is still wet, place the fiber mesh on it. After the coat dries, start applying the second coat of Dr. Fixit Newcoat. This improves the performance of the coating by not allowing cracks to widen. The sequence of colors of Dr. Fixit Newcoat can be decided depending on the desired top coat color. In case any two colors are being used, ensure that the color of the first and the third coat are same. This would ensure correct consumption of material that will deliver a total dry film thickness of 1 mm. Drying time between coats will be 6 to 8 hours. Allow the system to air cure for 7 days minimum. A total thickness of 1 to 1.2 mm must be achieved when Dr. Fixit Newcoat is dry. Now waterproofing is ready. Now we'll talk about maintenance and recoating of Dr. Fixit Newcoat. Over a period of time or some years, if Dr. Fixit Newcoat has developed cracks on the exposure to weathering or extreme temperature variations, it is extremely easy to recoat over it again, with only one coat of application of Dr. Fixit Newcoat. Cracks, if any, can be treated by placing a fiber mesh over a recoat while it is still wet. After this dries, it would need an additional coat over the mesh to strengthen the area. In rest of the area where there are no cracks or damage on the surface, you can just go in for only one coat of Dr. Fixit Newcoat after properly sanding the surface. Now we'll see the post-application checklist. That is, how can we verify our work. Conduct ponding test by filling water up to 50 mm height for 48 hours to ensure leak-free terrace. Testing of coating thickness can be carried out in an area of 1 meter cross 1 meter of the roof to check the thickness. In this area, mark at least 5 squares of 5 cm cross 5 cm. With a knife, each square must be cut diagonally and rip it. The dry film thickness of the membrane shall be checked by a vernier caliper, which should measure minimum of 1 mm. Then we'll see its precautions and limitations. All corners, gaps, joints, protrusions and outlets shall be coated with 2 extra coats. Do not apply during rains. Substrate must be in saturated surface dry conditions for application of the primer. The product is designed only for foot traffic and not vehicular or movement of the machinery or equipment. Do not apply Dr. Fixit Newcoat over expansion joints. To achieve foolproof waterproofing, parapet walls should be covered with Dr. Fixit Raincoat. This is a different product about which we will have a detailed discussion in my next video. Never dilute Dr. Fixit Newcoat with water for ease of application. That is, to increase the workability of application, we should not mix water with it. The coverage of this product is 2 square meter per liter per coat. That is, 1 liter of this solution should be applied on 2 meter square area for 1 coat. Now we'll see its available packings. In market, this is available in the packing of 4 liter and 20 liter. Then about its life and storage. Life of this product before use is 12 months from the date of manufacture in unopened condition. Store in a cool and dry place. And at last, we will see the health and safety precautions for using this product. Skin contact. Wash skin with soap and water. Remove contaminated clothes. on eye contact. Immediately splash eyes with plenty of water. Consult physician if irritation persists. So friends, this is all for today. If this video was useful for you, please click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.